My name is Charlie. That's why I'm a misfit too.
Welcome back, Fright Lovers and Merry Screams Mess! Spirit Christmas 2025 has arrived with a twist of terror on Peppermint Lane. Can you guess every spirit animatronic just by their scary sounds? Some may jingle, others might jolt you out of your seat. Score 1 point for every correct answer, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your final score below. Stay to the end, the last animatronic will chill your spine colder than winter itself. Let's dive into Peppermint Lane, if you dare. Let's kick things off with our famous emoji shuffle game. Only 1% of player comments say they guessed right. Are you one of them? Comment before time runs out. Amazing. The correct answer is in box C. Guess the Spirit Christmas animatronic.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish.
Good job. It's Silver Bling Nutcracker.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy.
Whose scary shadow is this?
Hi. Rudolph.
Awesome. It's Clarice.
Hi. Rudolph. I think you're cute.
Would you rather pick Art the Clown Santa Claus?
It's a terrifying Christmas. Let horror fill your heart.
Or would you rather pick Navy Blue Nutcracker?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Smash that like button for Art the Clown Santa Claus, or drop a comment for Navy Blue Nutcracker. Name this Peppermint Lane figure.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Amazing! It's Green Buchla Nutcracker.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun.
Can you identify this Christmas voice? And the answer is Swinging Snowman. Next round, drop the animatronic in the right spot before time. Time's up. Let us know in the comment below if you spot it rightly. Listen, whose wicked jingle is that?
I am alive! What a neat thing to happen to a nice guy like me.
Perfect! It's Frosty the Snowman.
I am alive! What a neat thing to happen to a nice guy like me.
Guess the 2025 holiday creep.
Looks like we're forgotten again.
Well done. It's Misfit Elephant.
Looks like we're forgotten again. How would you like?
Next round, guess the animatronic before time runs out. Good job. The correct answer is Misfit Charlie in the Box. Whose Spirit Christmas outline?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
The correct answer is Navy Blue Nutcracker.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun.
Identify this festive fiend. Wow, it's Swinging Elf. Spot the three differences. Time's up. Let us know your answer and comment below. Shadow check. Which animatronic?
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Good job. It's Candy Cane. Bling Nutcracker.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Whose ho-ho horror is this?
No child wants to play with a Charlie in the box. Oh!
Awesome. It's Misfit Charlie in the box.
No child wants to play with a Charlie in the box. Hold! Who goes there?
Next round. Find the odd one out before time runs out. Subscribe to our channel if you guessed it correctly. Can you name this chilling toy?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Amazing. It's Santa Claus Nutcracker.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun!
Guess the Christmas display monster.
The elves have been helping keep track.
And the answer is Tracking Santa.
Of those who have been naughty or nice. Can you guess which list you belong to?
Let's test your memory. Remember the position of all animatronics. Where is Tracking Santa hiding? Awesome. Tracking Santa is in box 1. Which Peppermint Pal is it?
How do you do? Wake up! Don't.
Perfect. It's Misfit Doll.
How do you do? Wake up! Don't you know it's time to come out?
Whose shadow holds the candy cane?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Well done. It's Black Soldier Nutcracker.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun!
Reflex challenge. Tap on Santa Claus Nutcracker eyes before time runs out. Time's up. Let us know and comment below how close you got. Identify that unsettling sound.
첫 번째 게임은 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다입니다.
The correct answer is Young He.
첫 번째 게임은 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다입니다. 술래가 무궁화 꽃이 피었.
Which new 2025 figure is this? Wow, it's Krampus. Guess the Christmas Ghoul.
What a wonderful addition to the nice list.
Good job, it's Santa's magic book.
Here's a child who's been good all year. What a wonderful addition to the nice list.
Name the spirit prop.
It's a terrifying Christmas. Let horror fill your heart.
Awesome, it's Art the Clown Santa Claus.
It's a terrifying Christmas. Let horror fill your heart. You hear footsteps,
That's a wrap. How many did you guess right? Let us know in the comments. More epic games are coming soon, so remember to like, hype this video, and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.